Hello, everyone. Very warm welcome to you all again in the yet another session of OCM's lecture. Okay. Till now, we have done with three chapters. Yes, first, second, and fourth. And today, we are going to start with the fifth chapter of your OCM, that is emerging modes of business. Yes, you must have maybe done or heard about e-business, e-transaction. Yes, e. In this chapter, we are going to learn about how through internet business is done. Yes, now we are doing e-learning. Yes, means with the help of internet. Yes, with the help of electronic gadget, we are learning. Yes, so here e-business, e-learning is also helping us at the time of this pandemic. Yes, so today we're going to learn about e-business, that is electronic business, how electronic business works, or how business is done with the help of electronic gadgets, with the help of internet. Yes, e-business does not only means or e-banking or e-learning or internet. Yes, only e-business does not only mean that we are doing online shopping. Okay, like we are learning now, we are learning online. Yes, we are like you must have heard about Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange. Yes, so these stock exchange also run with the help of internet. This also comes under e-business. Yes, so internet helps business. Internet helps like school, colleges in many ways. Okay, and today we're going to learn that how business is run with the help of internet. All right, like purchasing material, selling material. Yes, like all the marketing activities like production, finance, then administrative work. Yes, all that is done with the help of internet. Internet is very much important nowadays, and after this coronavirus, after this pandemic, internet has helped all of us a lot. Yes, so without wasting time, let us proceed with the PPT. Yes. Chapter number 5, emerging modes of business. Yes, various types of e-business transactions we are going to learn now. Yes, the meaning of e-business means doing business which is dependent on internet. Yes, that is known as e-business. Okay, selling the goods, sending your uh, contract, or any other thing which help in business. Yes, like now many times selling a goods are there, purchasing the raw material are there, sending the pamphlets or your advertisement or anything. देखा होगा आपने many times you have, जैसे कि यूट्यूब पे आप कुछ सॉन्ग देख रहे हो, कुछ एक मूवी देख रहे हो, उसमें बीच में एड्स आती है. Means doing advertisement with the help of internet. Yes, that comes under e-business. Means we are doing our business with the help of internet. Yes, so types of e-business transactions are, first one is business to business. Means when e-business is between business to business, in the bracket it is given now b2b, means business to business. Yes, second one is business to consumer, b2c. Business to consumer means transaction is between, means business is contacting consumers. That is why it is given business to consumer. Yes. The third one is consumer to business, where consumer is contacting business, where consumer is initiating in uh, e-business with the business. Yes. C to B. Then fourth point is consumer to consumer. When both of them are consumer and both are doing business, yes, with the help of internet, means consumer to consumer, C to C. Then comes business to administration, that is B to A. Okay. Then consumer to administration. Administration means like public administration, public institutions. Yes, all that. So how business is contacting administrative services, like for registration and all. Yes. And how consumer is contacting administrative services or administrative institutions. Yes, that comes under consumer to administrative administration. Yes. So all the 6 points: business to business, that is B to B, then business to consumer, that is B to C, then consumer to business, that is C to B, then consumer to consumer, that is C to C, and business to administration, B to A, and consumer to administration, that is C to A. Okay. All this are the types of e-business transactions. E-business are done in these two types, or these 6 types. Yes, transaction is between business to business, business to consumer, and further transactions between them. And these are the types of transaction which is done by e-business. Yes. So the first one is business to business. Yes. In this form, the buyer and seller are both business entities and do not involve individual consumers. Means both are business, both are not ultimate consumer. Yes, both are doing business. Suppose someone like primary industries, secondary industries. Yes, we have learned in your 11th. Yes. So, like primary industry is a business, secondary industry is a business. Yes, primary industry is selling the raw material, which is final product of the primary industry. They are selling the raw material to the secondary industry. Okay. Primary industry's final product is the raw material for the secondary industry. We have learned it. Yes. So primary industry is one business and secondary industry is another business. Yes. Both are business. Both are not ultimate consumers. Secondary industry will manufacture, or production will be there, and the final product will be there with the help of secondary industry. Yes. So here the example is of primary industry and secondary industry, means business to business. Yes, means when the transaction, means suppose from secondary industry someone has applied for the raw material, someone has sent it the budget or the application for the purchase of raw material. Yes. And primary industry has given the approval for the sell. Yes, all the money and all were paid online, like with the help of Google Pay, Phone Pay, internet banking, digital cash and all. Yes, with the help of all that. So now this type of e-business transaction comes under business to business. Yes, where one business is in contact with another business, where one business is doing e-business transaction with another business, comes in this type of e-business, that is B to B. Okay. Here buyer is also a business and seller is also a business. Okay. Buyer is also a business and seller is also a business. Yes, no consumer, no ultimate consumer is involved here. Okay. The second one is business to consumer, that is B2C, where business is contacting consumer, where business is initiating to contact consumer. Yes, consumer receives the product or service, makes payment. Just a minute. Consumer receives the product or services. Yes, means normally you are just you have purchased something, like you have purchased a refrigerator, example. Okay, you have purchased a refrigerator. Yes, that, you have purchased a refrigerator online with the help of online transaction. Okay, from some site or anything you have purchased it. Yes, Flipkart, Amazon and all. Okay, you placed an order, you have made the payment, you have made the payment with the help of internet banking, GPay, Google Pay, Phone Pay and all. Okay, after your payment, your order will be ready, and that business will transport that material, that refrigerator to your home. That comes under business to business with the help of e-business transaction. Consumer receives the product or services, makes payment. You have made the payment for your refrigerator, get services. One person will come from that shop or anything from where you have place an order online. He will give you service, and warranty is also there on that refrigerator. Yes, so means e-business is also done for purchasing any home appliances, any online shopping. You want to purchase clothes, you want to purchase online, sorry, electronic gadgets, you want to purchase books. Yes, all that can be done with the help of e-business. Yes, and second part of the e-business is business to consumer, where consumer is getting goods, when consumer is getting product, where consumer is getting services from the business. Okay, firm uses their site for the range of marketing activities. Yes, there are some sites of the firms which they are using for the for the selling their products online. Some sites are there of every firm, of every company, of every industry, and that is given on the internet. And if you want to purchase the product of that company, you need to go to that site and you need to order and make the payment of that product. Okay, this includes promotion, product information, reviews about the product. Yes, many a times you have seen that people have commented, people have given their reviews of that product. Yes, means promotion is done of the product in that ad or online. Yes, product information is given, then review is given. जो जो लोगों ने खरीदा होगा वो अपने अपने राय देते हैं, अपने अपने रिव्यू देते हैं, राइट. सर्विस और डिलीवरी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट एट द डोर स्टेप, मीन्स कितने दिन में आपको वो चीज मिलेगी. लाइक आई हैव परचेस्ड वन कुर्ती टॉप from Amazon, right? Sorry, from Myntra. I have purchased from Myntra. Yes, in that product information was given. Yes, reviews was given. Then they it was given that in how many days I'll be getting that product in my doorstep. कितने दिन में मुझे वो चीज मिलेगी. Yes, all this is done in the business to consumer second type of transaction. The cost of product and service kept low through this method, and the speed of transaction is also faster. Yes, काफी बार आपने देखा होगा कि 30% ऑफ, 20% ऑफ विदाउट एनी फेस्टिवल. दिवाली की तो बात छोड़ो, दिवाली में तो बहुत होता है. यस, 30% ऑफ, 50% ऑफ, 40% ऑफ, मीन्स products are there at the low quantity, and the speed of the transaction is very past, of course. Example like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, many online shopping sites are there. Yes, even you can shop for the books, you can shop for the gadgets, many things, not only clothes. Yes, so today we have learned about first two um, types of e-business transactions, that is business to business and business to consumers. Okay. Okay, today we have learned about two today we have started with the fifth chapter, that is emerging modes of business. We have learned about e-business, what is e-business. Yes, कहाँ कहाँ पर e-business use होता है, how internet helps business. Yes, and we have seen the first two types of e-business transactions, that is business to business and business to consumer. In our next lecture, we'll be learning more about types of e-business transactions. Okay? If you have any doubt, children, please ask me whenever you receive these videos. After watching these videos, if you have any doubt, please ask your teachers. Okay? Till then, children, stay home and study.